Mmm. Hmm. Whoa. Mmm. Hmm.
It was a quiet afternoon in a cozy little kitchen. A fluffy white puppy stood on the counter, a determined look. He gripped the electric mixer with both paws, spinning a bowl of bright red cake batter. But then splash! The red goo flew everywhere. His clothes, the walls, even his face. To someone watching, it looked very wrong, and someone was watching. Hello? 911. There's a puppy, covered in blood. I think something awful happened. Step away from the counter. Paws up. The door burst open. Officers rushed in, ready for a crime scene. But instead, they found a beautiful strawberry cake, white frosting, pink swirls, and the proudest little puppy holding it out like a trophy. This is the best cake I've ever had. The kitchen turned into a party. Cake for everyone. Well, everyone except Grandma. She got arrested for emergency cake confusion. So next time you see a messy pup in the kitchen, just remember, not every red splatter is a crime. Sometimes it's just strawberry delight. Meet Poppy, the fluffiest white puppy today. He smells something delicious. Popcorn, his tail's wagging. He rushes to the popcorn stall. But wait, he checks his pockets. Nothing. No coins, no treats, just air. Poppy's heart sinks. But then, boom, a genius idea lights up his head. He races off, straight to the cornfield. He grabs some corn secretly and leaves behind his tiny puppy watch as payment. Back home, it's popcorn time. Pop, pop, pop. The pan explodes with fluffy popcorn. Poppy snuggles on the couch, big bowl in paws, cartoons on TV, and a tail-wagging smile. Smart, sneaky, snacky. That's